Hello learners, in the previous video lecture of this module, we have learned the meaning of mass communication. We have also completed characteristics of mass communication in detail. In addition, we have also understood elements of mass communication with the examples. Furthermore, we have also understood barriers or constraints in the process of mass communication. In this online lecture of the module, we will understood and explain tools of mass communication. We will also discuss newspaper as a tool of mass communication. Furthermore, we will discuss television and radio as means of mass communication for transmitting messages to the mass audience. We will also learn film and cinema as a tool of mass communication for reflecting and influencing society. In addition, we will also understand new media as an emerging tool of mass communication in detail. After completion of this video lecture of the module, you will be able to understand and explain tools of mass communication. You will also able to discuss newspapers as a tool of mass communication. Furthermore, you will also be able to explain television and radio as a means of mass communication for transmitting messages to the mass audience. You will also be able to understand film and cinema as a tool of mass communication for reflecting and influencing society. In addition, you will also be able to understand new media as a emerging tool of mass communication in detail. Learners, let us start explaining mass media first. The moment someone mentions the term mass media, you would probably think of television because that is the most popular mass medium today. When we discuss mass communication, we used the word channel or medium. Media, as you have already learned, is the plural of medium. A medium is just a means used to send messages. When we meet someone and speak to that persons, it is face-to-face communication. But when we talk about a mass medium like television, it is not face-to-face communication. There is a mass or a very large number of people watching it. The first medium used to communicate with a large number of people was the newspaper. Then came a truly mass medium, the radio invented by Marconi. Newspaper had limitations like the time factor. News had to be collected, compiled and edited and printed in advance and then sent for people to read them. All these took plenty of time. For example, what you read in your morning newspaper was printed around midnight. There are different media involved in the process of mass communication. They reach every corner of the world and are very powerful. They invade even the privacy of our bedrooms. They inform, educate, entertain and persuade us. They also help in the transmission of culture and perform the job of surveillance of the society. They are mass media. The mass media are the vehicles of mass communication. The prominent ones which have become household names are newspaper, magazines, books, radio, films, television and more. Recently, satellite television and cable television. Mass media is broadly divided into print media and electronic media. While the print media are the oldest having a history of about 500 years. The electronic media are product of the 20th century technological revolution. Tools of mass communication refers to the various mediums of channels through which information is disseminated to a large number of audience. These tools play a crucial role in modern society, enabling the rapid and widespread distribution of news, determinant and entertainment and other forms of communication. Here are some examples of tools of mass communication. Number 1. Television. Television has been one of the most powerful tools of mass communication for several decades. It allows for transmission of audio-visual content such as news, documentaries, entertainment shows and advertisements. Channels like CNN, BBC, HBO and NBC reach millions of viewers worldwide. It has played a significant role in shaping modern society by providing entertainment, news and information to millions of viewers worldwide. Television as a tool of mass communication has played a prominent role in shaping society and disseminating information to a broad audience. These abstracts provide an overview of the significance and impact of television as a mass communication medium. Television serves as a platform for news broadcasting, enabling channels to deliver current events, in-depth analysis and live reporting to viewers. It keeps the public informed about local, national and global affairs, shaping public opinion and fostering a sense of awareness. In addition to news, television offers a diverse range of entertainment programming. Sitcoms, dramas, reality shows and talk shows captivate audience with their engaging storylines, humor and celebrity interviews. These shows contribute to the cultural fabric, influencing popular culture and initiating conversation on social issues. Sports broadcasting is another vital aspect of television as a tool of mass communication. It brings major sporting events to a mass audience, enabling viewers to experience the excitement and thrill of live sports. Sports channel provide live coverage, analysis and commentary, catering to the interests of sports. Advertising is a fundamental component of television as mass communication tool. Companies utilize commercials to reach a wide audience and promote their products and services. Through audiovisual storytelling, television advertisements aim to capture viewers' attention and shape consumers' behavior. Education is another domain where television plays a crucial role. Educational channels and programs provide informative content for children and adults, fostering learning, critical thinking and knowledge dissemination. Television acts as a valuable medium for educational outreach to diverse demographics. Furthermore, television's impact extends beyond national borders. International broadcasting allows for the exchange of information and cultural understanding. Channels like BBC, World News, Al Jazeera and CNN International provides news coverage from different parts of the world, facilitating global awareness and promoting diverse perspectives. With the advent of streaming services, television has evolved further, providing on-demand access to a vast array of content, Viewers can now enjoy their favorite shows, movies and documentaries anytime, anywhere on multiple devices. In conclusion, television remains a powerful tools of mass communication services as a conduit for news, entertainment, education and cultural exchange. Its influence on society, public opinion and popular culture continues to shape the way we perceive and interact with the worlds around us. Number 2, radio. Radio broadcasting is another important tool of mass communication. It provides audio content and reaches a broad audience, including those without access to television or internet. Radio as a tool of mass communication has played a crucial and significant role in shaping public discourse and disseminating information to a wide audience. This lecture provides an overview of the importance and impact of radio as a mass communication medium. Radio serves as a powerful medium for news broadcasting, allowing for the swift transmission of information and breaking news. It provides timely updates, interviews and analysis, keeping listeners informed about local, national and global events. With its accessibility and portability, radio reaches diverse populations, including those without access to television or internet. Entertainment is a prominent aspect of radio programming. Music, talk shows, dramas and comedy programs entertain listeners and contribute to the cultural fabrics of society. Radio hosts engage with their audience, creating a sense of community and fostering a loyal following. Furthermore, radio plays a vital role in promoting local artists, musicians and emerging talents. It provides a platform for showcasing their work, supporting cultural diversity and nurturing artistic expression. Public service broadcasting is an essential function of radio. It disseminates public services announcements, emergency alerts and educational content to raise awareness and promote public safety. Radio reaches remote areas and can be a lifeline during times of crisis, providing crucial information and connecting communities. Radio advertising is an integral part of the medium. Advertisement air during radio programs, allowing businesses to reach a broad audience. Radio commercials utilize sound and storytelling techniques to engage listeners and promote products and services. In addition to radio, the advent of internet radio and podcasting has expanded the reach and versatility of radio as a tool of mass communication. Internet radio station and podcast platform provide a diverse range of content, creating a specific interest and allowing listeners to access programs at their convenience. Radio also serve as a means of social and political expressions. Talk shows and discussion programs facilitates dialogue on various topics, fostering public debate and participation. Radio interviews and debates provide a platform for different perspectives and contribute to a healthy democratic society. In conclusion, radio remains a powerful tool of mass communication, offering news, entertainment, public services, announcement and advertising to a diverse audience. Its ability to reach remote areas, foster community engagement and provide timely information continue to make it a valuable medium in today's multimedia landscape. Number 3, newspaper. Although traditional print newspaper have faced challenges in recent year, they remain an essential tool of mass communication. Newspaper report local, national and international news, offering analysis and opinion pieces, and cover various topics like politics, business, sports, culture and so on. For example, the New York Times, the Guardian and the Wall Street Journal. Newspaper as a tools of mass communication have played a crucial and vital role in disseminating news, information and analysis to a broad audience. This video lecture provides an overview of the significance and impact of newspapers as a mass communication medium. Newspapers are print publications that provide a comprehensive coverage of local, national and international news. They serve as reliable sources of information, offering in-depth articles, investigative reports, editorials and opinion pieces. Newspapers act as a platform for journalists and writers to report on current events, politics, business, culture, sports and other topics, catering to diverse reader interest. As a tool of mass communication, newspapers contribute to public discourse and the formation of public opinion. They provide a platform for journalists, columnists and experts to express their views and engage readers in meaningful discussion. Newspapers play a crucial role in fostering an informed citizenry and facilitating democratic participation. Moreover, newspapers act as historical records, documenting significant event and societal development. They provide archives that can be referred to in the future for research, analysis and retrospective understanding of past event. Newspapers also serve as a platform for advertising, allowing businesses to reach a wide audience. Advertisement in newspaper promote products, services, events and public announcements. They provide a means for businesses to engage with potential customers and generate awareness and sales. In recent years, newspapers have adapted to the digital age by establishing news platforms and digital editions. Online newspapers offer real-time updates, multimedia content and interactive features, enhancing the reader experience and expanding their reach. Digital editions provide convenient access to news articles, allowing readers to consume information across various devices. Despite the rise of digital media, newspapers continue to hold importance as a trusted sources of news and analysis. The tangible nature of newspapers allows readers to engage with the content at their own pace, providing a different sensory experience compared to digital platforms. Newspapers offer a sense of credibility, professionalism and depth that resonate with readers seeking comprehensive coverage. In conclusion, newspapers serve as a powerful tool of mass communication, delivering news, analysis and advertisement to a broad audience. They contribute to public discourse, inform citizens, document history and provide opportunities for businesses to reach consumers. While digital media has transformed the media landscape, newspapers maintain their relevance and continue to be a crucial source of information and analysis in society. Number 4, new media. New media, referring to digital and internet based technologies, has emerged as powerful tool of mass communication. This online lecture provides significance and impact of new media as tool of mass communication. New media encompasses a wide range of digital platforms, including social media, online news, websites, blogs, podcasts, streaming services, and mobile applications. These platforms have enabled individuals and organizations to actively participate in the production and distribution of content, transforming the dynamics of mass communication. Social media platforms have emerged as a key players in the new media. Platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube enable users to create and share content, connect with others, and engage in conversations on a global scale. Social media has become a powerful tool for spreading news, opinion, and viral content, amplifying the reach and impact of mass communication. Online news websites and blogs provide alternative sources of news and analysis, often covering a niche or specialized topic. They allow for immediate publishing and rapid dissemination of information, challenging traditional media outlets and providing diverse perspective on global event or issues. Podcasts have gained significant popularity, offering on-demand audio content covering a wide range of topics, from true crime to politics to self-improvement. Podcasting allows individuals to create their own shows and share their expertise, fostering a more personalized and intimate forms of mass communication. Streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, and Spotify has disrupted traditional media consumption pattern. They provide on-demand access to movies, television shows, music, and podcast, allowing users to personalize their content consumptions and challenging the traditional broadcast model. Mobile applications have transformed mass communication by providing instant access to information and communication tools. News apps, social media apps, and messaging apps have become essential in staying connected, informed, and engaged. The rise of new media has democratized mass communication, allowing individuals and organizations to bypass traditional gatekeepers and reach global audience. It has fostered greater interactivity, engagement, and user-generated content, blurring the boundaries between producer and consumers of information. However, new media also presents challenges, including issues of misinformation, privacy concern, and algorithm and bias. The rapid spread of information through new media platforms has highlighted the need for a media literacy and critical thinking skills. In conclusion, new media has transformed media communication by empowering individuals and organizations to participate in content creation, dissemination, and engagement. Social media, online news, websites, podcast, streaming services, and mobile applications have reshaped the way information is shared, consumed, and assessed. While new media offers new possibilities for global connectivity and inclusivity, it also brings new challenges that require ongoing attention and adaptations. Number 5. Film and cinema. Films have significant impact on mass communication, reaching large audience through cinemas, DVDs, streaming platforms, and television broadcast. Movie convey stories, ideas, and emotions, influencing culture and shaping public opinion. Cinema as a tool of mass communication holds a significant position in the society by providing a powerful audio-visual medium for storytelling and entertainment. This online lecture provides an overview of the importance and impact of cinema as a mass communication tool. Cinema serves as a platform for filmmakers to express their creativity and convey stories that resonate with audiences. Through the medium of film, cinema engages viewers with compelling narrative, complex characters, and immersive visuals and soundscapes. It captures the attentions of large audience, enabling a shared experience that transcends culture, linguistic, and geographical boundaries. As a tool of mass communication, cinema plays a vital role in influencing and reflecting society. Films address social, political, and cultural issues, sparking conversations and promoting awareness and understanding. They can challenge societal norms, raise consciousness, and stimulate critical thinking. Cinema has the power to shape public opinion and influence public discourse. Film often become cultural touchstones impacting collective memory and popular culture. They provide a means to explore diverse perspectives, foster empathy, and encourage dialogue on a wide range of topics. Moreover, cinema has a significant economic impact. It drives the film industry, supporting jobs and contributing to local and national economies. Film generate revenue through box office sales, merchandise licensing, and digital distribution. Additionally, cinema tourism, where people visit locations featured in films, further boosts local economies. With technological advent, the distribution of cinema has evolved. The advent of streaming platform and video on demand services has made film accessible to a global audience. Viewers can now stream films on various devices, expanding the reach and democratizing access to cinematic content. Cinema festivals and award ceremonies provide platforms for recognition and celebration of cinematic achievements. Events such as the Academy Awards, Cannes Film Festival, and Sudan's Film Festival highlights the culture of cinema, impact of film, elevating their significance as tool of mass communication. In conclusion, cinema serves as a powerful tool of mass communication by captivating audiences with compelling narratives, visuals, stunning imagery, and immersive storytelling. It reflects and influences societies, drives conversations, and impacts popular culture through its economic influences and technological advancement. Cinema continues to evolve, reaching a diverse and global audience and maintaining its position as a significant medium of mass communication. Number 6. Public addressing system. Public addressing system, including public speakers, loudspeakers, and audio systems, are tools used to convey messages and announcements to large gatherings in public spaces such as stadium, conferences halls, and political rallies, billboards, and outdoor advertising. Billboards and outdoor advertising displays are physical tools of mass communication, strategically placed in public areas to reach a wide audience. They are commonly used to promote products, services, events, and public awareness campaigns. So, learners, with this we have completed tools of mass communication. We have also learned newspaper as tool of mass communication. Furthermore, we have also completed television and radio as means of mass communication for transmitting messages to the mass audience. We have also understood film and cinema as a tool of mass communication for reflecting and influencing society. In addition, we have also discussed new media as an emerging tool of mass communication in detail.